hosting Wivang. Hosting Wivang. We are really kapo kasi okay itum tong kang ning we should say. Flag hosting Wivang itum garu ning we should say ning room we should say laka issue rang hetman ar ning ting shimrai na atam chukaka mirano. Shall we all stand together once again for the flag hoisting? Laka flag hoist sa kami ng shida. Itum butong kana. Itum national anthem jisang rumse. Tangkhul jisang rumse.
Tumli mahor haila harga pum tada pum mi jinga.
Yarina pamise.
Welcome no to Wivang, Kuiru Ngazek Horam, Convener Elosili Atami Midele.
Good morning and greeting to all. First of all, on behalf of the local organizing committee, Kachai Village, would like to extend a warm welcome to Kushim Fushum, our Honorable Minister of Qinghai SSC. In spite of his ethic, Sichuan have kindly consented to be the chief guest of the 31st TKS General Conference Come Sports, Literary and Cultural Meet 2022, who have kindly accepted to our request to unveil the monument to commemorate the 31st TKS General Conference Come Sport, Literary and Cultural Meet 2022. To our chief host, Queer Lesio Kesing, Honorable MLA, Government of Manipur. To guests of honor, SS Olis Lamka, Honorable MLA 41, SC Chandil, Government of Manipur. To our special guest of the function, Shri Krishna Kumar, IS Deputy Commissioner, Yukur District, and Inno Kitwe Tip President NSF, and also to Inno Shimbre Rising President TKS. A warm welcome to all the dignitaries on the teams, ladies and gentlemen, and all the members of different teams of TKS President. Last but not the least, my deepest gratitude to all my fellow villagers for rendering for cooperation to make the function a success. Once again, extend my heartfelt welcome to one and all present here. Kok Nalem.
Lighting of the torch. I request the torch bearers to please take your time. Followed by a special song from Chanchi Makunga. Chanchi Makunga na ready sami sarano. Razang the clay units we president bing na mga wakakak pamilo ning sinare.
Hello.
While the special song, arrangement for the special song is going on, we would like to request our guest of honor troupe, Madam Asha, Naga Women's Union President, Monsang, Khoibu, Lamkang, Chote, Mayon, Taro, Aimo, Women and Students Organization Presidents to kindly come up on the stage and take the seat prepared for you. Thank you. now Saklong Kohimawi President Nala stage hili kapa mikfai kapo satle.
Chanchim makunga shik chumkamidle. Indeed, let this be that one moment in time where we come together, where we lift our dreams and share our thoughts together and enjoy this moment together. Presidential address wibang atam Kuiru Shimri Rising, President TKS li atam midale.
Good morning, TKS. Ringpasadele. Chathai khaimade. Okay, at the very outset, I would like to bring warm greetings from the office of the Tangkhul Saklong to each and every one present out here. Respected Kwiru Kachim, Honorable Minister, Government of Manipur, our monolith guest. Respected Chief Host Kwiru Leshio Keshing, Honorable MLA, 43 AC, Pungyar Constituency. Honorable Guest of Honor, Kuirumla SS Olish Lamkang, Honorable MLA, 41 AC, Chantu. Respected Mr. President Kuiru Guwahun Dep, President Naka Students Federation. Respected President Naka Women Union, Asha SW Ungnam and her colleagues. Respected Kwiru Mingting R. Shimre, the headman of Kachai village. Kwiru Ngazek Horam, convener LOC and his colleagues. Kwiru Turi Singh L. Vashum, President Kachai Katam Nolong and his colleagues. Pastors and village elders. President of second houses. Respected zonals and sub-zonal president of TKS and their colleagues. President and colleagues, Women League Lamkang and her colleagues. President and her colleagues, Mayon Women League. President and her colleague, Chote Women League. President and her colleague, Mongsan Women League. President and her colleagues, Darao Women League. President and her colleague, Aimol Women League. President and her colleague, Khoibu Women League. President Tangkhul Shinawlong and her colleague. President Kachai Shinawlong and her colleague, Pangam Lahoram. My dear friends from Myanmar, and our two guest artists, Janshim Makunga and Riami Jahongnao, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. On this very auspicious day, as we commemorate the 31st General Conference Cum Sports, Literary and Cultural Meet of the Tangkhul Katamnao Saklong, I heartily welcome each and every one of you to this congregation. Much preparation for the success with prayers have been initiated by the local organizing committees and the executive councils. After much deliberation and preparation, today, Almighty God had granted us this beautiful day with a bright sunshine. We were very apprehensive of the weather condition that the rainfall might disturb. However, it is through God's grace that we are gathered here in this manner today. The Tangkhul Katamnao Saklong, basing on the theme of embracing diversity, we had discussed at length and breadth as to why we should embrace diversity. Last night, at the introductory session, our first speaker, Kwiru Msakwi Rungsung, had sent his virtual presentation of the topic. Now, my dear friends, we have diverse points of views, ideas, and opinions. What we need to realize is that refusal to embracing had led to the downfall of many nations, had led to the chaotic situations to many nations like South Africa, Sudan, Afghanistan, and many more, to mention a few. Whereas we can learn from the developed country like the United States. It is one of the finest examples of diversity, that the country welcomes each and every citizens across the globe to raise and reside in their own country. India is another perfect example of a country that embraces diversity, with 1,600 languages, different languages, 700 tribes, and almost every major religion. They have accepted to embrace diversity through tolerance and mutual respect. On the context of the Nagas, we are one fine example of a nation that embraces diversity. We are dispersed across the border, across the states. We are inhabited in Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and even Myanmar. And yet, we remain to live as one. We remain to come under one roof. This claims that we are indeed a nation that embraces diversity, despite of all the cultural, lingual differences that we practice. My dear friends, let us not forget that a claim for dominance within ourselves, among ourselves, will certainly tear down the brotherhood and sisterhood of a Naga nation. Dear young friends, let us learn to appreciate each other. Let us arise and look beyond. As we gathered here in this manner, let us remember that the nations across the globe, they have reached high above the sky. They have vacated in the moon, landed in the moon. And yet here we are, lost in crossroads. Let us have a clarity of vision as a youngster, as a student. Let us take the movement forward. Let us learn to appreciate and embrace each other. Let us be unified. Let us stand up together for the cause of the nation that we have been struggling. Let this conference be a message to everyone that when we learn to appreciate and accept each other just the way as we are, and when we strive for the higher heights, we will certainly reach our destination in the near future soon. Long live TKS, Kuknalim.
We now have greetings from Kuiru Kwahuntep, President, Naga Students' Federation, which will be followed by a special song from Kuiru Riami Jahongna.
Hello, TKS. Hello, TKS. Most respected Shimri Raisin, my friend, the President TKS, Honorable Minister Ino Kashim Vashum, Government of Manipur, Honorable MLA Ino Leishu Kaishin, Government of Manipur, Ili Olist Lamkan, Honorable MLA, Government of Manipur, Madam Asha, President Naga Women Union, Manipur, President and colleagues of the zonal circle of the TKS Union, leaders representing various civil society organizations across Naga areas, leaders of the village, Kachai, my fellow TKS members. I thank God for this amazing and wonderful opportunity, and I thank God for this wonderful day. At the very outset, I, on behalf of the Naga Students Federation, brings warm greetings to this 31st TKS General Conference cum Sports Meet Literary Competition. The Tangkhul Nagas have always remained at the vanguard in upholding the Naga identity, be it in political, social, and cultural fabric of our Naga people. 75 years ago, visionary leaders from across various Naga inhabited areas came together with a vision to secure a future for our people, and thus the Naga Students Federation was formed on 29th October 1947. Ever since, with the participation of the Tangkhul Katamnao Saklong, TKS has remained one of the vital pillars in the tumultuous yet historic journey of the Naga Students Federation. And together as a federation, we shall continue to lead our people, leading each one of us in embracing diversity into a just, peaceful, and a prosperous Naga society. If we look at the Naga society today, tribalism, factionalism, clanism, pride, and ego have destroyed the very fabric of the Naga people today. The inability to accept each other's differences and our failure to look more closely at the common good have been largely undoing of the Naga family. This being said, I believe our conference team, embracing diversity, has been convinced with a grand vision to prepare the younger generation to tackle with the numerous challenges and issues which confronts our people at present. It is my confidence that the discussion and deliberation on the theme will bring out many relevant issues and suggestions in ushering towards a better Naga society. The Naga future depends on the mindset and the attitude of the youths and students communities today. Without the active participation and the involvement of our younger generation, our society will never progress in the manner which we have always envisioned it to be. However, we cannot allow the failures, the mindsets, and the bitterness of the past to continue to dictate the present and the future as well. We must realize that the issues which we are facing today cannot be addressed in the manners and moods of yesterday. We as a people must break away from these conventional mindsets and other practices which have shut down our social and economic growth. We have to adapt, evolve, and push ourselves beyond our limitation, beyond our tribal mindsets and traditional boundaries, and in order to achieve what we truly deserved as a community and as a dignified Naga people. We must be able to see beyond the ever-widening division amongst ourselves, and instead of becoming one among the fragmented parts, we have to be able to forge a unified front. As a people, differences and in keeping our common goals over individual interests can able to forge a way forward for our people. Until we learned from the experiences of the past and are able to apply this knowledge into practice, our vision of a better future will always remain a distant dream. Let me tell all of us that Naga people are not confused people. Let me tell all of us that we have a clear history for ourselves. However, it is very saddened to see young people, particularly the students, being confused with no clarity and with no focus. Let me remind all of us that there is no Southern Nagaland, there is no Myanmar Nagas, there is no Central Nagaland, there is no Eastern Nagaland, but there is only one Nagas, that is called Nagalim. Naga Students Federation will continue to work for unified limb and glory of the Nagas. May God bless TKS, may God bless Naga Students Federation, may God bless the Nagas, Koknalim.
Thank you, Sir Gohun Tep, the President, Naga Students Federation, for your words and for your time. Before we move on to the special song, I would like to grab this time for a presentation, and I would like to hand over this to our President, Tangkhul Kutamnao Saklong.
Thank you, Campus, for the time. We will quickly take this time to give away a few of our appreciation and token of love. First of all, I would like to call upon our Honorable Minister, Government of Manipur, Guru Khashim Bashum. Sir, please receive a token of appreciation from us. And the LOC will also simultaneously give it away. This Lurim and the memento and the Haura. In the LOC.
Yarina, itija ngatay the pamsala pang panglaki na kapening rocksek.
They have a wonderful package, purely organic. Next, we have Sir Akiro Lesho Keshin. Sir, kindly receive a token of appreciation. LOC. Are we tired of clapping? Next, we have Kurumla SS Olish Lamkang. Ma'am, please receive a token of appreciation. Please step up.
Hello. Are we Miss Olisi? Achal coin in a catamine, a class venitum lacquer. Ishi Tangkhul student only active Salagan Alang Sosaye. Kala Achu Ishui Penitili. And I am like out to Ishi Hosnell, Banglana li Holaga, Sapaika, Namakram Sapambre, Kala functions you wang, Nana, Tadakang John Mule sponsor Samuel, the Ali Ishina 10 lakhs in case I know quick high. Darang jana analyning sang lagan ji ku wang kle shi aru ilosilan panglan ta teng jon mi ni hakla khai la naw ne kle ni le khoi na active sala khai la naw kan ne so ni sila khai.
Thank you, ma'am, for all the help rendered to the success of this conference. If you clap more, the guests will give us more. Up next, we have Guehun Deb, President NSF. Sir, please. NSF will take a carload of presentation. Next, we have President Naga Women Union. Ma'am Asha, please.
Asha hi khang dem ne isi local ne a hi ngala naw ko mu fu thirong ko sunnaw.
Next, we have President Tangkhul Sinaulong. Madam Thingrepi, please. May we also present a token of appreciation to our Women League President Lamkang. Lamkang Women League President, please. Moyon Women League President may also get ready. Next to Moyon will be Women League President Chote. Moyon. Next is Chote. Next to Chote, Monsang may also get ready, please. Next to Monsang, President Tarao may also get ready. We have a lot of presentation to give it away. Please bear with us. Monsang, Tarao. Next, Imol, please. Ma'am, one more from LOC. Imol, and finally Khoipu. President Women League Khoipu, please. Ma'am, one more from the LOC. Khoipu. And next, Shinaulong President Kachai. Mrs. Pangam Lahoram. And President Tangkhul Naga Literary and Cultural Association, Myanmar. Uncle Chinaochung. Uncle Chinaochung Horam, please. And in order to save time, kindly rise from wherever you are. the colleagues of Lamkang, Moyon, Chote, Monsang, Tarao, Aimol, Khoipu, whoever are present here, we would like to acknowledge your presence, please. Volunteers may kindly go and deliver to wherever they are standing. The colleagues who came along with the president, respective president, please. Volunteers may do the honor, and may I also invite our NSF team. Please, can we also extend our appreciation? NSF team, we have Assembly Speaker, Deputy Speaker, General Secretary, Education Secretary, Culture Secretary, and Camps and Sports Secretary. So, a congregation of seven from the NSF team came along to witness our 31st conference. And finally, may we present our token of appreciation to our guest artists, Chanchim Makunga and Riyami Chahongnao. Please accept a token of appreciation. Chanchim Makunga. Okay. Next, we have Reverend N.G. Raikan, Pastor KTPC. Sir, kindly receive a token of appreciation. Reverend N.G. Raikan. Okay. Next, we have Quirrell H.L. Aaron, Pastor KSPC. Quirrell H.L. Aaron, Pastor KSPC. May we also extend our token to Viron Ramshang. Viron Kasar. Sir, wherever you are seated, please. President CYS, Viron Kasar. Okay, that is all from the side of the organizers. For now, we will be giving you each day, but then for the zonal presidents and the rest of the unit presidents, we will be handing out on different days. Next, we have from the Kachai Shanaulong. Right? You may take the time.
Aiki Maitelon for Plaidung si Chin Tokrage. Aiki Aikoiki Manakda Lengshin Biribi Aikoiki Ma'am Olis Nangbo Equaina Mukut Nonna Kurumjari Aikoi Naga Marakta Amakak Ngai Ribi Aikoiki Luchingbi Nangbo Aikoina Tagatli Atuki Tamakda present as a token of love. Aikoina present Krabininge Nangna Pamashida Langshin Pirao. Ani Shubada women ki president Miss Asha busu present bininge mana shu
presentation jijina khang chang sai re isam yari gdong khana ari razang khai saikora chuwang akshi panglak kina ka pheng ram se. Okay, we shall proceed with this special song from Riyami Chahong now, followed by speech from our chief host, the guest of honor and special guest. I will let you know the details later, which will be followed by folk dance, a dance troupe from Myanmar, Tangkhul Katam Now Long Myanmar. So this is just to notify you to be ready. Yeah, thank you. Riyami, please take your time.
Hello, check. Hello, 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 check.
Ang cha phong vai si cơ cha ringa pa ka lei pam li yong va hau ra nga shanu nga shan va la ka kamatama mi kyan ka chi ba li mi si do mà chúc ta khăn lệ ining hina ili hang nấu klung thi shumalu ninga changa sali ki cholo aritam hilaka nawi vam na phai chọn cả nung lu na lên cả vai sông ra mà đi lưới mang na san va lu zina sông ra we atazam ang you cơ hồ mà vai mà hiện sáng có cái nợ ninh không nỡ nụ khi là cơ mà thấy khờ khờ rõm dơ tròn khi anh ở xa rờ cơ thấy mà đi mà chụp tờ khăn lên ining hina ili hang nấu klung thi shumalu ninga changa sali ki chonlo aritam hilaka nawi vang na phai chon ka chunung lu ngờ lan cả bãi sông ra mà đi lưới mang ngỡ san và lư Gina sông ra với ata giang Nauklum tishumalu Ninga janga sali kijonlo Aritam hilaka nawiva Napai John gazunung lu Ngalan ka pai song za maning lui Mana ngesan valu Jina song za we ataza Mana ngesan valu Jina song za we ataza Jina song za we ataza Thank you
Riyami cha hong now ning shi ke chung kami de le na li mi khai talent shijin laga hikita program li itum li na we krok kamatha chena no ila chena asokami alang salak de le ning shi ke chung kami de le yari being kasala sa de le iram hi salak de le ang kasawi advantage de le babam le disadvantage de le babam de le Virale learning shimingai zinget kamata kamiwang ka sangnang ningai kalam ring pala le babamayang ka kashik ka kang room naka issue inaugural program he isam kutong ko kok sada kupsang room kawai sa se je kang hot sangai presentation Ari hi kashik kamang la presentation atam presentation BJP Chingai li atam midle BJP Mahila Chingai ashili atam midle atam mazang lila stage wak mga wak kam yaw shining shinare BJP Mahila Chingai Shinatam Komi Baire Juitili local NPF na atamra kwe mirano BJP Chingai ashinatam kwe mirano BJP Mahila Chingai Local NPF na tam kwe mirano
NPF we Emila Uchaguchi Minister Kachai we NPF we Mohadane Panana Kateo Sanga Jini Juitili Olis Chief Olis Emila Chief Minister be Nubi NPF Kachai Woming win Chief Minister go Kratak Pio Huren Nakpata Tan Tok Pigno. Thank you.
Okay. Ning Shinai representation Chiwivang. Let us move on to our speech. We have two speeches today. First of all, I would like to request our chief host, Kwiru Leshio Gaishing, Honorable MLA Pungyer Manipur, to take his time.
I was wondering why TKS has chosen me as a chief host. And I was also thinking, what are the responsibility of being a chief host? Hosting is done by the village and the TKS themselves. And they even give me present to the host. They are giving presents and the good wishes to me. So I was wondering what type of host I am today. I am the host among the invitees. So anyway, I'm very thankful to the TKS for remembering me in this auspicious function to be a chief host, and all the program, coordinators and all the functionaries for inviting me here. And first TKS conference. In this TKS conference, being a host, I should say I'm very thankful to our Honorable Minister, Sri Kushim Washum, to come here and present in person, and Madam Olis, she came all the way from Chandel early in the morning just to sit here 1.5 hours to wait for the program to start. And she complains that she wake up 3:45 to reach here on time. And our TKS, we ourselves, we are not on time. Anyway, and I'm very thankful to the Naga Student Federation and all these federating units to come here in this beautiful plateau, Kachai village, to witness the Tangkhul country and to get to know each other in this wonderful land on these auspicious occasions. And our Madam Asa, the Naga Women Union President, the biggest president ever Tangkhul Naga Women has. And all other dignitaries, I'm very happy to meet you and mingle with you and have an opportunity to share this function together. And I'm very much excited and thrilled by listening the speech of this NSF president. There is no division among Nagas. We are Nagas. By Naga, we are all Naga. There is no southern, there is no north, there is no central. We are all Naga. By our choice, by our interests, by our habits, and by our culture, tradition, and in all our thoughts, we are all one, and we have to be one. And under the banner of embracing diversity, we may have different dialects in every districts. Every tribe have got our own dialect. In spite of all this, we could be together. This is by the grace of God only. And I'm very happy that we share one culture, one aspiration. The very aspiration that we have should not be destroyed or should not be disturbed by any other third person or any other third force or second force. We have to be together in any moment, in any eventuality, in any situation. We have to be together. We have to build a nation. We are on the process of building a nation. So let us all unite together to build a good and vibrant nation so that we can be proud to be called as Naga among us. And I'll be very mean now. I'll speak in my own Tangkhul dialect. Who does not follow Tangkhul, may please pardon me, because I came here in Kachai. Maybe many of our senior elders might not understand Tangkhul, so I'll speak in Tangkhul for a few sentences. Ring palage I Kachai hi khreli akshi yaron laga thada program akhwang thangaya akhamang ung laga mapisang la thui gain chiwi thili ajak rak rahina after 30 years we thili ung tan hi jena Kachai hi kachung khang che har sai ring phai isi Kachai we consistency itum we ot kasa itum we determination klai iring phai he acknowledge sangai lagajin ki mangre jiga today you have made nasi na Kachai na brain akashem gai Kachai lemon gajihi Manipur Tangkhul ngalai mang li maningla Manipur ngalai mang maningla India li Kachai we lemon Kachai we pickle gajihi aming chat kain. So I congratulate you on this day. Natumli ina congratulate sangai the consistency you have. Khu khang dei li wa kai khana komla lingkha kai khana khang dei thada mix up sa laga thada brand name ma shem khara ga chung khalek jin kaja athang we diversity ji idumi pursuit akak sali ngarum da khok khayang ga sa da hili ga sa dam jili idumi flourish sapai jila manga wa pai me gi ji Kachai na aju example se sai rek ji na dum le hangai jena aju athang ina shongfuli aungali so man la jat ma man la khui kharing kharak khui progress khui wordam song khui ot ngarut ot ka sa ka tong hi ina hairap pang han ga ngan la thada chat rama man ga ji adamli Kachai maram hi ikachung ga thaila thaya sai kai detail le nama thik sa jen aju ga thai samang ding phalage ara generation gap kachung khale har da arwe aung na hangai jen katam ga selila mamla hai sei ithum we mirin kharing kharak phekar ga khoi hili mili competition ga sai li champra khaling mangli focus ha gai thada ma wa hai se champra kharing li la idum we tam ga khui su ga khui li matha me da sa ga chila ayat ung me da idum we factory la sa pai khang daily la progress la sa pai ga chi hangai jen aju Tangkhul we contemporary Tangkhul we hili idum me confuse sa ga ga chung khle le idum me aju Tangkhul we ngalai li competition gaji examination ga sa any exam li idum hi khunuk hanthui ga hen aju Tangkhul ga tam nau saklong Tangkhul ga tam nau saklong gaji hi katam nau bing we interest katam nau bing we dargar ga sa necessity needs hili yang sang khwai kle aju katam nau TKS na la machuk milo yang sang milo Aju any competition li isi Tangkhul now hi khunuk hanthui sarai rakho kimi bangrag ji idum machukra nai ajon dang meeting gai khali in speech lila hangsang gai idum we khnui thot wordam rin li jatak lai tamku gai bing ot masam bangla ka chung khale competition li majang khar ka chung khale ki ka thau idum we wordam sim khu khuli leidak le pingi ka tong thi sar ga wi mo ngai na le hik thali la idum khok khayang ga sa da idum hi le parsu sarum se adhang ngasai madam olis na hai nang wa yam sang na ngang ba yaroi ko loina nung sa da lepani nang hekta sang na nga de ai lep khat khrani go hen man ai warning pi khramni aduna ai si yam ngangning mani adubu ngang ba yar roi adun ai na du reply di taw ne asi wajarage hai na taw khramni dum wajasnu kari taw bro sup wa na tum da vi si phau la ga wa tien na ngang ra tok pu di nungai te en haibni yaroi hare adun ai si nungai tre I see the loisan na ba tawrage I'm very happy today. I'm very happy today in this very beautiful sunny day we could be together and we could express our feelings and our looks, even our looks to everyone to get to know each other. And finally I request every one of you just showcase the good thing in you only here. Only the good thing. Please keep your bad behavior, bad character, your unpolished manners and your nature in the deep down inside your pocket. After you left, throw it on the way and go home learning the good thing from each other. Just a token that I have reached here. I just want to give an envelope to the host village. Just an envelope. I request the LOC chairman to please come over here and receive this. And TKS president. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kwiruleshio Kishing, our Honorable MLA 43 Pongyer STAC Manipur, Sang Maida Matuika, and we love Shamay Mamanjitai. Jana Yari Kang Roxe, Kang Rumse, Jahangai, Ningshi Jankatai, Itomili, Hita Tamhili, Razang Ming Room Laka, encourage Sa Kamiwang, Ningshi Junkomila. Your presence is acknowledged and appreciated. Without further ado, we have our next speech from our guest of honor, Quiramla SS Olish Lamkang, Honorable MLA 41 STAC Chandal Manipur. You may please take your time.
Ngasai makai ayuk hek Europe padegi English ngak tada na lere aduna English tada ba Manipur state ni na Manipuri da ngang ba hai basi lai gadra raga ilai laite aduna English ta ngasai English na ngang ba makai da English khang da ba makai su tumin na tabani na nungsa marakta hojikti Manipur state ni na mai telon ngang gani mai telon tada ba makai na koi su wa batare khara Ishor buyam thagale loinana ngasigi asigum laba 31 kuntra mathoi suba Tangkhul katam now gi sports sida yamna labna leiba oli sai hakpu chandel de garapa nakoina ningsingbi dena Tangkhul student union nakoina ibu kaubi bi damakta Ishor bushi am thagale aduga masibo organize toba achao ba Tangkhul tribe ki student leaders na khoibo oli zai hakna aigi harau zaba amasung aigi kai khumna ba na khoi organization president amasung organize tori ba president ga thabak shumina ba na khoi pum na makpu aina thagat jari aduga loina na ngasi mafam sida yaurak pada Manipur state makhada leiriba aigi cabinet minister ama ikai khumna bada matik charaba Sir Khashim Washum amasung Honorable MLA Laisio Kaising mabani mafam masida punba phangjabasisu aigi damakte laiba yam phai maram maduna nabani busu as a nupi amagi elected member amoina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ TKS ꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯕꯥꯅꯤꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ elected member ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯕꯥꯅꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ngasi mafam asida katam naulonggi sports asida mapung fahanbigini haidana labna leiba Naga Student Federation ki president amasung mahakalak minnaba magi collecting adu khakta natadana Chandel da labna leiba minority tribe hai batare Naga manung da su jat apik pakhara khara leijai ekhoi adugi president sing tribe khuding ki president adu khakta natana nupi singi magi vice president general secretary mayam lakpi ba nokhoi busu ishwar na bor pibi gani aduga dais ta phami ba leader pum namak nokhoi busu oli sai hakna aigi ikai khumna ba nokhoi da uchari aduga ngasi mafam tungan badalaiba Tangkhul jati haibigi student singna masigi sana bangasi di hauraga that 30 phauba chathaga basida khun gi unit ki participant tawba amasung lamna leiba Burma dig lakba ichin now Tangkhul sing nakhoi busu ishwar na ngasi numit ani hum noi sida Tangkhul jati gi oina sanaba matam de hena loina bibo ishunu amasung handaki sanaba khaktana loibo aidana prithvi da Tangkhul student singi sports sana kraba matungda hena afauba sportsman Tangkhul macha de hena thokbo ishunu haidana ngasi lamna lakpai hangna masi amashi ishor gi mangda nijabni yam thagachari ngasai akoi gi sir lesio na haibadugumna yam kuina ngangoise maramdi saba marakta mi phambase akoi budi yam nungai na phamme adubu mayam gi awabu ubadaina kan kuina ngang ba yade ko haibane aina ko wagani to kadabane hairambane adu manasu yabi bagi damakta yam harawe madi ngasidi aidi Tangkhul nina Tangkhul khara chaige hai na ready da lakpa jane do chaibo wadu yaudan na baina thuna to haibane chaide yam thagal lame he na aduna asumaina aidi thoidok pa hainangai leite adubu ai hak olis ai hak pushu ngasi Manipur gi assembly makhada Chandel Technical District sida ahan manupi elected se ai oije adu khakta natana akoi Naga gi marak sida su after 32 years matungda khangat pa se ai oye maram aduna ichinau Tangkhul sing su yam uning dana aduga Kachai heba khun si aduk ki matik maming chatpa aduga yam phajaba mafam neina Manipur ki achaw sang mayam na adu khakta natana thangnaba Nagaland state ki or atopa lam degi mi mayam na visit tawba madugumba lam se ai uba phangjaba se MLA hek oibagi ahan ba masiguma function chat pe se handaki Kachai gi khunda amasung Tangkhul student singna organized tawba sports dai gi ahan ba chat lakchabani maram aduna masi su ai gi harawa phongdok chari thoidokpa ai hairoi maramdi Tangkhul haibasi aigi lamkang degi henna chauba jati nakhoini Naga society na Naga tribe mayam na noide ngajaraga lakpani maram maduna ai nadi nakhoida tak nangai di thoidokpa leiroidra khale maramdi nakhoidi Manipur sunate Naga society nate prithvi sida noina khwaidik advance oiba tribe singni aina ai hangnadi yamna ikai khumna jaba dugumba jati ni maram aduna thoidokpa hainangai leite dubu nupi amoina mama amagi sakta mama loi oina ai haijening badi sanabasi matam mangnangai ge sanaba nataba sanaba lakpa numit amani leibisi oza aikoi gi sir leisio na haibugumna afaba tamaga hanba handa Kachai sida numit ani ahum leibasida nahan aina leirambadagi tungan ba ama afaba ama natraga tungan ba hengat pa ama puraga aigi yumda aigi khunda hanba haibase madu tamjaba adaga sanaba khakta natana wakhalon amasung lamchat pum namaksu semdokpham oiba adungba organize tawbani haina ina lawjai maram aduna player lakpa makhai singna ilai na lobbi gano ishor na chanbi dana nokhoi karisu sanaba gi marak sida ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯗꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯅꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯗ ꯍꯟꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯁ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯗ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯊꯅꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯦ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯂꯝꯀꯥꯡ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯖꯥꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯝꯀꯥꯡ ꯖꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩ MLA ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯗꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯁ ꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯟ ꯐꯪꯔꯒ 37,000 ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯐꯪꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩ TKS ꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯃꯈꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯒ MLA ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯐꯖꯕ TKS ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯂꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯀꯆꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯩꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯋꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯀꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯒꯤꯐ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯄꯤꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ngasai amai ngajingna kanogi localgi LOCgi convener na tangkhul maron na haibadi tahowe maramaduna ai nadi maitelo nadi hairaroi masigi matang de maitelon thoktre hebatare amai ngajing na ngasai tangkhulon na haikre ai hekta badigi kasai na host ogni hebataba aduga TKS ke sigumba sports le tabagi ai na shu na khoi bunga sai haizabadugumna tangkhul jati bu ikai khubna jabo oina student gi platform sisu ai na support to jabo oina kachai gi khun na host to bigi support to jabo oina ai ngam jabadu ai masumuk ai pizage hedna hairam baduni madunga sai ai khoi gi LOC gi convener na tangkhul moron na haikre adu ai hauji madu LOC ki chairman da ai pisin jagani adu khakta natana LOC no thank you no LOC ki chairman si noi function chi loidri pha phajana senagdaba ai tangkhul londi yamna di khangde adubu lamkang naga women gi president oiba matamda ai tangkhul nupi khara loina jarame sum maru mapang sudum lei aduga ngasi gi ai naga women president ichi asa kachai gi leisabi hojik phauba leisabi ichi se masi noigi tangkhul sinaulong gi general secretary oiba matamda ai su lamkang naga women gi president oirame matam oduda ichi su khangjabani aduduna tangkhul lons aigi hek aigi next aigi inau nupi su tangkhul du yum pale aduna tangkhul lons phajana di ngangbadi haite tabadi tai aduduna ai hek lakpada ahan singna kharalong hai batare kachai gi ahan singna kharalong singna ai bosum ilaga lakpa isai se sum tabani madu ai yam haraujai aduna ahan singda ai ge harau jaba ai kitang da su ai pijaninge aduga sanaba lakpasi Burma degi horak sanaba lakpa makai si noi team mapan ni haina ai pau phangje aduna team mapan khoi da su ai ngamjaba khara pijaninge aduga program gi matungin na khoi gi folk dance ama dance troupe su uzare maram aduna khara long khoi ga dance troupe ka aduga handaki team mapan singda ai gi ngamjaba team amama amasung ngasai gi dance troupe aduga khara long khoi da ai gi ngamjaba asi simai te lon da hairoi se ne haisara ai team kuding da ai lupa lising tara tara ai pijage haidana ai thorang tokjai aduduna ai khoi gi TKS ke president na lepi re heraga ai na TKS president da pigini TKS president na khoi bu handover togani aduna ai TKS president mo mafam asida ai kokshin jari hoi guest of honor ne aduragasu loikrai gi wahai hujiti ma ai ma gi makha do lere ma president ni chaupani nako yeah, for nine unit and one dance troupe and one karalong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kau thok pa ya bra? Hoy ni. Hoy moi bi interest ko 1, 2. Nang nako. Tangkhul nako.
Unit we president bing na hibaka lang kang ran khimilo. Zonal units kutonga.
Yarui na kapang ina pang peng room say.
Dance troupe. Kaya kita buto sa biro da karalong big. Burma ko isu ko biya.
Awo chinaw chung.
One more. RKL. That is not him.
RKL president.
Aduga dance troupe ko isu ko.
Dance troupe.
Okay.
This is dance troupe. RKL we president Malayga representative kana kathak mena.
This is the dance troupe.
Karalong athang reception tham ni kai karalong. RKL. This is Norton.
Ado lupa lising tara hapa envelope ani leme ase ay president sinage final sanarak paganda awada pa natraga kari simana sina mention say president ado ga ay mapamasi hek yaubaga noige volleyball ge referee silam kang machani hay natay ado lam na leiba lam kang bu guest of honor na kauba lam na leiba lam kang bu kauba si Tangkhul sing na lam kang sing si yam nungsi hai basi masi amai khang jay aduna nungsi raga guest of honor ga referee de khakta kaubi gno atopa noi ge angam bade su mateng pang biro hai na request ho jabane aduga Kachai village authority na pirakpa ID minister sunate icham chamba MLA ni aduga first time kazarak pani krishu khangde tha ma makhai su sudri 1.5 months su sudri oina makpu noi nai bu thajadana nupagi mantri nupagi emily le recipe tadana nupi ngonda pi bunina masi local sigi emily su oiba amasum cabinet minister su oiba sir washum su laiminari bunina ai mangonda phamna request tawjakre sir masi se Kachai koi gi lambi se Kachai to Kachai simpung rim haiba asini haye masi gi lambi amasung hanging bridge haina pirak pase aina ngambadi leite oinamak pu local MLA gi or cabinet minister su oiriba magwanda ai permission lauza khre magi ayaba lauza rabanina mani su hoi heba amasu leire aduna ai challaga se PWD minister da natraga chief minister mabani da ina request tawgani dina PWD minister chief minister amasung noi local MLA cabinet minister oiribak sir khashu moi ahum na pulla heraga masi soidana moina sembi na ba aina makoi bu kanna ai takani masi ma adana oza laisione di direct tawbigini sembigini hayo hayadana ai sir khashum su lairabni na soidan na ba soida masidi sembi rani haina ai haidok sarage yare ka sir aduna yamna di ngangninge lamna lakpani na adubu nungsa marakta mi phambu ubade yang wana uwe aduna aigi wahaida karigumba soiba lairaga su ishorna su map tawbisanu tiliba halaman nakoy mayam nu su map tawbiyo haidana ai wahai se sumaina tensin jage thagachari mayambu.
Thank you, our guest of honor, Madam Olish Lamkang, Honorable MLA, 41 STAC Chandal, Manipur. Mani Maitay Lon da Pajana Hainingi, Adubu Maitay Lon Tauba Haitre, Chanbiu, Chanmilasi. Yeah, so yes, we are very much honored to have you here today. And we thank you and we appreciate and we are taught once again by your generosity. This is our prayer that the Lord, our good Lord, will keep you and continue to bless you more than the things that you have shared. Thank you so much. We'll continue with our folk dance. We have a dance troupe all the way from Myanmar, Tangkhul katam now along Myanmar. Itung li dance troupe rangarumi daklay hi Myanmar when a rangarumi delay. Nganai chang jithai ka country different ngatay hangkai country akalake. Atam kushok mi laka practice lasami laka itung hikita program hili razang kami ringpanaye ningshinaye. So I would like to request the dance troupe, Tangkhul Katam Now Long, Myanmar, to please come and take your time. Ashina ngaran mamandalay laka kutishat akasangay hunpun katam now long ay na zingsho katam now long na. Football match wivang kangaran sami bayra. Playlist kurami siya shinara. Ari perform sadakle, dance perform sadakle, he translate samingai dale.
The lyrics of the song goes like this. Dear brothers and sisters, we are one in blood, we are one in history. Though our petition has been made without consent, we are always united in spirit, we are always one nation, we fight for our one country. On one day, we will hoist our victory flag, and we will never be apart. We will never be divided again. We will never be ignored again. But we are always moving forward to our destination, and we are always with each other, though we live in the two countries. Saramiri mountain belongs to us, and Saramiri mountain is our forefather and mother's property. So we have to protect our land, we have to save our animals, our material, and our everything which is in our land. In the olden days, we used to pound the rice by our hands, and in the olden days, as our forefathers and mothers taught us to pound the rice by our hands, we did so. But these days, we look for our leaders who can bring the development, who can bring the victory to the land of Nagaland. They say as we live in the advanced world, we forget all the olden things, olden our culture, olden our dressing way. But we should not forget our identity, our culture, and our way of living. Because this is our identity, and this is what we live for. And our forefathers and mothers shed their sweat for the new generation, and that we are today, we are the new generation they have tried for. The song is seen when in the season of cultivation. In this very special conference, let's be happy together and let's unite and work and stand for our people. Shall we give a big clap for them? Thank you so much.
We would like to thank the dance troupe from Tangkhul Long, Myanmar, for the bright and beautiful tradition that you have shared with us. I'm fully confident that the folk dance that I have shared with us will help us, all of us, in strengthening our unity and also in embracing our diversity.
Mokup sang chaurang laka participating units being acknowledged samingai as a make sure that we program hali razang daklai participants being participating units being acknowledged samin dalai karisa the east wena zingsho katam now long ZKL kniasa the west wena zingtun Tangkhul katam now long ZTKL kagatumali north wena ripai katam now long RKL Kamatili South Wena Tangkhul Aze Katam now long TAKL Special Zones Wena Sagolmang Area Naga Students Association Sansa Subzone Wena Kator Katam now long KKL Vaikam Katam now long VKL Center Unit Wena Hunpun Katam now long HKL Kachai Katam now long host team Room Sirlaka, 9 units, radale, 9 participating units.
As we have come to the end of this program, we would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who have come here for the inaugural session, who have graced us with your presence. Yari gdong na kasa wilung hili patients leila kay na program pay da ngrom kami chuwang na thumli la ningshi nairek ji hanglo shit ngai le arai tum na benediction wewang kuiru HL Aaron pastor Kachai Shimpungrim Baptist Church le benediction he kuimi khwai jiham dale jiwithili oath taking and kick off session leira jena yari na maza dai la jila ngrom milu shit lok ji hangai le ningshi lakai.
Says how say TKS General Conference Quira kami agsak babri bra Noi mingli na nang right tum gatong na ning gishim sot kami na soda achu go chimik so hi khamatha tamwe lungli itumli tha so kami we surukhi khang sakwi bang ning sisiare rajang ghaya khrai ka dew sai koroli chimik so hi tha chinget we khamatha coloring go phawa tam sam khang sakida da mirinli itum nang reu ghai kala saji thai ghai sakrum ghai ka tong hi khamlai masala khawli ot ka sak sang tha de ningli phari ti thai lega ngalai wiwang yur chat wiwang kana ka pa ya pongkra khali sasap khawai ngo chon milo ho sa da phung khami ka chai lila ribrau lum san khami ta sumi da ka chot ka chang kya khali da le sala sai gor jing tang kwi sap khawai nana mi ka chi buli so mi da ram hilila so khami ji ta sumi lo da se ha ka sa ne arui la lui da ithum wot manga kya khala sa ku er sonau kai kha kala kharnau kai kha kathana MLA kai kha apam hi chhoi la ka chalui sidre nana than khra tha da athum sungi jiwagi ja pongsai goroli tajam daramai no shok mi samang da chat sak milo hilile haugi da khle ya mi ping sai gor hilela achu go hojmik so hi wena ithum ka phasam ga phang tha da makup sangrang la khaina dang da mi ga chi buli knowing your khami knowing a chon khami kala knowing le shi khami jine ithumli harbuna anauli ka pum tha da pum pa mi da og thui chinget masi masa sa ga chat sai gorina ngatang phi milo da ithum sai goroli ngatang phi khami ribrau na mi ra pro Kristo in ning sing da sa ga sane amen.
Kuiru Kushim Bashum, Honorable Minister, Government of Manipur na oath taking kala kick-off session hi kuira mira juiwangai na units kachiwe flag bearers ping na flag hoisai da klei mga hilira da oath taking session wang rang romir no. TKS with secretary na sports secretary na oath taking session here rakui kamir no.
Flag bearers being a stage wivak katio mo ida shift sara miglan ning shinare.
41st General Conference cum Sports Literary and Cultural Meet oath taking. In the name of all competitors, I, representing pledge that we will take part in these games in the spirit of fair play and the rules that govern them for the glory and integrity of sports and the honor of our teams.
Hello.
Cho participants chukone natum katong ane for the spirits of game. Game spirit le lagane natum katong ngrelo kala hi khangreo hian natum akhaina ka anai midel singrokta tada le shi khamaya tangkhul sarano guji hanglaka are ina Paul hi kathasang mioge.
Yashi Kangia Queer Kushim Mushroom Lining Shik Junka Midle kick off Sakami Mang Maningla units Kachivali units Katonkali our Ringapa Ningashi Legishi Sada Tingpanga ship Naran mi idle. Jenna itum Katongana Pang Ping she say Ningashi Pong Shok she'd say Gala units Katonga units we President Pinchina Arama TKS we Finance Secretary when a Rangaran Kumi Para. Issue inaugural session kupkusang hina kupkusang saire China a ground he clear some yao say the pongai chairs si issue volunteers being na well TKSV QRT being na katakwe alungli arrange sami kawai bodale volunteers kala TKSV QRT being na chairs si kangaran kushok mi log ji pongai le
units kajivu wena volunteer panga units kajivu wena volunteers panga stage hili announcing booth hili kramilo guji hipongai le units kajivu wena volunteers panga announcing booth hili ramik vai kanghot sat le
hello okay hello ichumi inaugural function hi hina khangmachang saura ara atamma janglila ichumna ichumi match hi hobok vai sa se jina team khani ari ichum with 31st Kakshung TKSV General Conference cum Sports Meeting with first football match men's football match hi hunpun katam naulong gala zingsho katam naulong nang remira team kanini jina kangaran samilga atam mazangrila local crown hili assembler sami kwai hotele gala ari itmi crown local crown hi TKSV QRT team gala local we volunteers pingna itum local crown hi clear samiaulo gala unit kachivu wi nala volunteers phangala bai traship bai kara laga itum local volunteers pingli lang chom mi sei ji hi natum la hang chunga ye atamma zanglila honpun kacham naulong gala zingsho kacham naulong nala kacha kulungling rang khui laga itum local crown razang mi vai natum ni sakla kai na khang hot sane ning shila kai re